Hello, this is Lucy. Hello. This is Lucy's second pattern video. We are going to create an abstract flower pattern. It's just a random pattern that I random created. And it looks like this. First, the folding method is number 2. If you don't know yet, I posted the link in the description under this video. You know, when we color, we usually avoid high contrast colors, like red and green, blue and orange, purple and yellow, because it will cause a ugly result. However, we can give the high contrast color a little space on our paper cutting, and it will turn out nicely. Okay, I used red and orange as my main color. Now I'm going to use green, just a touch. And let's see. It's nice, isn't it? If you have any color combination you want to see, tell me in the comments, and I will do it for you. So, what pattern we should do for next time?